Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add TikTok or YouTube sounds to CapCut. So for us to be able to do so, you'll just need to head onto CapCut's editor first. So as you can see, we're currently already in here, and we have added the video that we want to add some sound. So for us to be able to add in the sound from TikTok or YouTube, you should be able to find an audio here onto the upper part corner of the screen. Simply click onto that, and as you can see, there are a lot of options to choose from. You could add in music that are offered by CapCut that are copyrighted free, add in a sound effect, some copyright, extracted audios, TikTok, and brand music. So just simply click onto TikTok in here. And then right after, to enjoy the feature for this one, you need to link your TikTok account in here. So by clicking sign in with TikTok, you should agree to the terms of service and privacy policy for that. So simply click onto this to proceed. Now, if you click onto that, you should be able to find in something like this that says authorize with TikTok. So once that one is already success, you could go ahead and open the CapCut again since your account has been connected already. So if you have saved music onto your TikTok account, then you should be able to find it directly here onto your CapCut right after. And you could just simply add them here onto your video, like how you add the different music here, just like that. And aside from that, if you have also your own sounds that you have downloaded from YouTube or TikTok, you could just simply go here onto media and import them in here. So if you add those audios in here, you could go ahead and use this onto your own editing. So for example, let's import a sample music in here. So you could just simply drag and drop it in here and then click onto the plus icon, and then you could adjust this to fit the video that you have. So as you can see, this one is, I have downloaded this from YouTube, and that is just basically it, how you add a TikTok or YouTube sound to CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.